In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fast forward or rewind videos on TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your TikTok, and under some videos on TikTok, here at the bottom you got that bar with moving playback marker. It moves to the right. And all you're gonna do to rewind that video, you can tap on that bar. Now you see the time appeared right there, and now I can move finger to the right or to the left to get to the specific time on that timeline. And all you're gonna know that this feature not available on each of video. You can look for another video and there is no that bar. I don't know why it's happened, but it's really how it is. Maybe it's just new feature of TikTok, and soon we will get this function under each video. But now only underneath of some specific videos we got this feature. So now you know, guys, how to fast rewind your videos on TikTok. So hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.